In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm MX records in Google Workspace. Managing email settings effectively is crucial for seamless communication in any organization, and that's exactly why understanding how to confirm and verify your MX records is key. So let's get right into it. To start off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to google.com. This is because we'll be logging into the Google Workspace admin console, which is accessed through your Google account. Once you are on the Google homepage, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one associated with your Google Workspace. Enter your password to proceed. After entering your credentials, click on the next button to move through the login process. It might seem straightforward, but these steps ensure you are securely accessing the correct account associated with your organization's email service. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen once again. You'll find the Google Apps menu represented by a grid of small squares. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear presenting various Google apps. From this menu, select Admin. This will take you directly to the Google Workspace admin console. Once you are in the admin console, you'll need to navigate to the Apps section. This part of the console manages all applications connected to your account, including Gmail. Clicking on this will direct you towards a list of available Google services. Within this list, locate and click on Google Workspace. This is where you can manage the configuration and settings specifically for your organization's suite of Google tools. Next, find and select Gmail from the options provided. Gmail is crucial since our focus is on the email service settings. Within the Gmail settings, you'll see an option for setup. Clicking on setup will bring you to a page displaying various settings and configurations options for your Gmail. Here you will finally find where the MX records are displayed. MX records, or mail exchange records, are a type of DNS record set up to direct emails to your domain. These are crucial for ensuring that your emails reach the correct servers and are delivered efficiently. By confirming these details, you are essentially making sure that your email system is functioning correctly and that there's no misrouting of important communications. And that's it, you're all set. By following these steps, you can confidently manage and verify your MX records within Google Workspace, facilitating smooth and reliable email communication for your organization. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.